Hoy, hamang ka. Toshi, ako yung higda diha. Dire. Hello, Belle. Where are you now, Belle?
I'm in the grandma home.
Oh, you're in your grandparents' house. I see that is why. Did you just um get there?
Yes,
Oh, I see. So, what will you do there?
I play.
You will play?
Yes,
Okay, so have fun there. Did you eat already, Belle?
no.
Not yet. Okay, so don't worry, it'll be quick and you can eat after. Now, let us have this one again, okay? Always remember to look at where the shorthand is pointing and then to, before looking where the long hand is pointing. Short before long. Okay, now let us listen and number it, Bell.
Page 64. B. Listen and number. 1. Let's play a game. 1 o'clock.
It's this clock. It's a red clock.
Good. 2.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good.
2:15.
I can see that clock. It's the flower clock.
That's right.
'Okay, very good,
3.
Belle.
Now, ready? 3:45.
Look, it's the car clock.
Yes.
Okay.
4. What about this one? 9:30.
It's that big purple and yellow clock.
Okay, yes, that's correct,
5.
Belle.
11 o'clock.
It's the bear. The bear.
Which picture? Okay, yes, very good, Belle. That's
Bear.
correct.
6. What about 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock. It's that clock. The triangle.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, yes, well done, Belle. Now let us talk about the other time we have in here. Can you tell me, Belle, what time is it? Look at the star clock, Belle. What time is it? Mm-hmm. Where is the short hand pointing, Belle? Where is it pointing?
It's one. It's one. For 14:45.
Very good. It's 1:45. Now, what about the round clock, Belle? What time is it?
Is 10:50.
Very good. It is 10:15. Wait, let me find another one. What about the penguin, Belle? What time is it?
It's 7. It's 7:45.
Yes, it is 7:45. Now, what about the train?
Is It's 9 o'clock.
And the elephant?
Is 3:30.
Okay, yes, it is 3:30. Now, since we're done with this one, Belle, let us proceed to this one. Okay, in here, all you have to do is to tell me what time it is. So, what time is it, Belle?
It's 1 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Now, what about for the second one? What time is it?
It's 1:15 o'clock.
No, not 1:15 o'clock, Belle. Remember, we only say o'clock if the long hand is pointing to 12. Okay, if it is pointing here, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. But we don't say it's 1:15 o'clock. It's just 1:15. Okay, not o'clock, Belle. No o'clock. Now, let us have the third picture. What time is it?
It's 1:30.
Okay, it's 1:30. Very good, Belle. Now, what about this one? What time is it?
It's 1:45.
Okay, yes, 1:45. And the last one?
It's 2 o'clock.
Okay, yes, it is 2 o'clock. Now, moving on to the next one, Belle, can you tell me what time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Very good. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it?
It's
It's
is 6:15.
very good. It is 6:15. What about this one, Belle?
It's 4:30.
Okay, yes, well done. What time is it?
It's 4:45.
Okay, yes, it is 4:45. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
And the last one, what time is it?
It's 10:30.
Okay, yes, very good, Belle. Let us have another one now. Okay, in here you have to encircle the correct time. Do you have your pen now, Belle?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, very good. Next one. Okay, yes, very good. 1:45. What about for 3? Okay, 12:15. Okay, yes, very good, Belle. 7:30. Next one. In here, Belle, you have to draw the short hand and the long hand to tell the correct time. So in here, you have to make 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Mm-hmm. Or I'll make it bigger for you, Belle. Okay, yes, it's 5 o'clock. Wait, let me make it bigger for you. Okay,
Yes.
so you can say 5. We have here the arrow, Belle. Okay, 5 o'clock. Okay, now what about for the second one, Belle? 12:30. 12:30. Okay. Why is that a long hand? It has to be a short hand, Belle. 12:30. This one, it has to be a long hand bell since it tells us the hour, right? And 30 is the long one. Okay. So that is it. Now, next one, Bell. What about in here? 6:15. 6:15. Okay. 15, Bell. 6:15. When we say 5, that is
Yes.
25, right? 6:15, Bell. 6:15. Okay, here it is. 6. Yes, that's right. 6:15. Now, let us have another one. Okay? And here you have to write it. 4:30. 4:30. You don't have to draw it, Belle. You have to write it. 4:30. Okay, 4:30. That is just for 3. 30. 30, 30, 30. Okay, very good, Belle. Now, next one, 8:15. Mm-hmm. Yes, very good. Last one, Belle. 9 o'clock. Okay, yes, very good. Well, that is correct. Thank you. Now, let us proceed to another one. Okay, so in here, Belle, all you have to do is to tell me the time. Like, for example, in here, it's 2 o'clock. Now, what about in here?
It's 10:30.
Very
30.
good. Yes, 10:30. What about for this one, Belle?
I can see.
Oh, you can see it. Wait. Mm-hmm. What time is it?
It's 1:15.
Very good. And the last one?
It's it's 11:45.
Very good, Abel. Thank you. Now let us have the next one. Okay. What time is it? It's 9:30. What time is it, Belle?
It's 4
Yes.
o'clock.
Very good. What about in here? What should be our question?
What time is it?
Very good. And for this one?
It's 7:15.
Okay, yes, it's 7:15. What about for this one, Belle? For?
What time is it? It's 3:45.
Well done. Great job, Belle. So wait, let me have the grammar animations of this one first. Unit 7, lesson 1. Okay, let us see. Okay, we have here more clocks, Belle. And all you have to do is to match it. It's 1:15. Okay, very good. That's right. Next one. Okay. Now, in here, you have to listen and fill in the gap.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Okay, yes, very good. It's 3 o'clock. Okay. Next one.
It's 4:45.
It's 4:45.
Okay, yes, very good. It's 4:45.
It's 6:15.
It's 6:15.
Okay, yeah, 6:15.
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30.
Okay, very good, Belle.
What time is it?
It's 6:15.
Very
It's
good,
6:15.
Belle.
What time is it?
It's 10:30.
Okay, yes, that's
It's
correct.
10:30. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Well, now I will not extend the time since you are in your grandparents' house and you want to play with your cousins there. Okay, so goodbye and enjoy eating your lunch, Belle.